Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Cork Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Jeep Compass Limited. Total price of $34,305. This one's finished in white clear coat over black. 9-speed automatic, mated to the 2.4 liter inline 4 multi-air engine. Trying to find some of the famous Jeep Easter eggs, and I think I see one right now. Oh, there's this. Didn't even notice that. There it is, the Loch Ness Monster. Oh, I love Jeep for doing stuff like this. It's so cool. Alpine stereo. You can lift this to see your VIN number. Then I think this is the one. No, so I think it's the Compass where there's a lizard or something molded here. Or it might be on the other side, I'm not sure. There it is, it's a gecko. Lift this up. It's a gecko. That's sweet. And then you also have a little Jeep right here. That's pretty cool. Oh, normally they'll also have they'll have something in the gas cap too. Does this one have it? No, I don't think so. You know, they'll have them hidden throughout the car. It's pretty cool. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take it for a drive. Same exact powertrain as the Renegade. This is your panoramic sunroof. Jeep embossed on the seats. Different four-wheel drive modes. Huh, that's pretty smart. In snow mode, it automatically turns the headlights on. Nice. Pretty smart, Jeep. Pretty cool. Let's go for a drive. So this is the vehicle above the Renegade in terms of size, just below the Cherokee. Does drive very similar to the Renegade, but it just seems a little bit more luxurious in a way, a little bit more like a Renegade in a suit. That's kind of what it is. The Renegade is aimed for, I think, people below 25, whereas the Compass is 25 to 35. You know, so that's kind of the way I see it. Just a little bit more buttoned up. Auto start stop, of course. You know, I'm not gonna risk that. It's a semi-truck. 2.4 doesn't sound too bad at all. Has a good throaty sound to it. Definitely surprised by that. This one does have adaptive cruise control, so I can go ahead, set the distance that I want it to follow. I'll go ahead and set it for 2 car lengths. Haha, another Easter egg. That's pretty cool. I don't know if you guys saw that, but the vehicle that popped up was a Willys Jeep, an old military Jeep. That is really cool. As I said with the Renegade, I think these things are so full of little hidden Easter eggs and stuff like that, that even as you own this, there'll be days where you'll be like, hey, I never noticed that. You know, unless you Google everything. It's kind of cool. It kind of prevents you from getting bored after a while. You know, it's just kind of a fun little thing, and that's why Jeeps are such popular vehicles. Actually, right after this, I'm taking out a Wrangler Rubicon. So I'm very, very curious to see what some of the Easter eggs hidden in that will be. But it's good that I found the little lizard, the gecko or whatever it is. Because I would have been really upset that I missed that. Not bad steering feel. Obviously not a sports car, not designed to be, but it's not bad. Pretty easy to place in the lane, keeping the, you know, this is a tighter road. I'm not worried at all. It definitely fits well. Wow, this thing, it's really a lot of fun. And we'll go ahead to 0 to 60 and then call it a day. Not bad at all. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.